In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate or flip an image in Constant Contact's email builder. If you've ever dropped an image into your email and realized it's sideways or mirrored, this quick walkthrough will get everything looking just right. We'll move through the editor together, make the adjustment, and confirm it looks great before you send. Start by opening the Constant Contact email campaign you want to work on. From your campaigns list, choose the email you're updating so you're looking at the correct draft. This ensures any changes you make land exactly where you need them. Once you're in the campaign view, click Edit to open the email builder. The builder is where you'll see your content blocks and layout. Give it a moment to load, especially if your email includes several images or design elements. Now select the image you want to rotate. Click directly on the image block in your layout. You should see options or a toolbar appear, confirming the image is active. If you have multiple images, take a second to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if they're similar. With the image selected, open the image editing tools. Look for an Edit or Image Editor option, typically on a small toolbar near the image or in a side panel. Opening the editor brings up controls designed for quick fixes, so you won't have to leave the builder or re-upload the file. Use the rotate or flip option to correct the orientation. Rotate typically turns the image in 90-degree increments, which is perfect for photos taken in portrait or landscape that are simply sideways. Flip creates a mirror image, either horizontally or vertically, which can help with layout symmetry or correcting a reversed graphic. Make the adjustment slowly and pause to check that faces, logos, and text read correctly. If you overshoot, don't worry. Most editors include an undo button so you can step back. When you're satisfied, save the image and preview the email. Click Save or Apply in the editor to commit the change, then return to your email layout. Use the preview option to see how the image sits within your design. Check spacing around it, make sure any captions or buttons still align, and if available, toggle between desktop and mobile views to confirm the rotation looks right on different screens. That's it. You opened your campaign, launched the builder, selected your image, used the editor to rotate or flip it, and then saved and previewed the result. With this quick process, you can keep your emails polished, professional, and on brand every time.